The powerful search features in Logos provide the ability to perform simple or complex searches across your whole library or a subset of it in seconds. Visual filters can be created from search results to visually denote items of interest. This information can prove powerful when writing sermons or preparing Bible study lessons. Searches can run in a variety of modes through the search panel. Drag the search icon over to the right to open a search panel. There are the following options: Bible, for more focused searches within Bibles. Note that this search for thirst also includes results for words such as thirsted. To restrict the search to just the specified term, click the panel menu and deselect Match All Word Forms. Basic, for general searches in your library. There's Media, for finding relevant media such as diagrams, maps or art. Clause, to find specific terms such as subjects with their associated verbs within a clause. Morph, for identifying particular forms of words. This is done against original language texts, but you can use them even without knowing the original languages. We'll come back to this later. And syntax, to explore the detailed grammatical structure of a passage in an original language text. Identifying the verbs in a passage is an important step to understanding what it is saying. This is easy to do using a Logos morph search, which can be used to identify all the standard grammatical terms. Even though this runs against original language texts, you can use them without knowing those languages. If required, you can constrict the range to the particular passage you're studying. Construct the search by introducing a morph term using the @ sign and selecting verb from the drop-down, or typing V and hitting enter. This finds all the verbs in the selected passage and highlights them, both in the search panel and in the biblical text. You can click this to position the resource in the correct place. Note the verb believes in verse 38, which we will look at more closely in a later video. Closing the search panel would make these highlights disappear. To make them permanent, set up a visual filter by opening the panel menu and clicking Save as Visual Filter. Call it Grammatical Terms in John 7:37-39 and specify what sort of formatting you want. Then, when you close the search panel by clicking the cross in the tab, you can see all the verbs clearly identified in blue. If you want to turn this off, you can toggle it in the Visual Filter menu. The power and capability of Logos search functionality associated with visual filters provides real value in exploring biblical passages when preparing sermons or Bible study lessons. Logos provides many more tools to help with preparing for sermons or lessons, and in the next video we'll look at two of them, the Information tool and the Explorer tool.